Yeah. Hi, I'm Craig.
Hi, I'm Dmitry, and we're at SoCraTes UK, I guess. So the idea is to do, I guess, FizzBuzzWoof with TCR, and you kind of know, so I assume people also know what TCR is like.
Cool.
So let's just do some simple test, foo, and if it fails, I guess we expect it to fail, and to revert it. Okay. Everything is not working. Okay, fine. So if I try to commit, it says like, oh no, you cannot commit. So we cannot literally commit. And so if I do fail here, then and run this thing, then it will just disappear. Or it should. Did quite disappear. Now it disappears. Yeah.
Cool.
So yeah, that's the thing. So I don't know. What else should we write? Should we switch? Oh, I should have started the timing. Let me do that. It will be rubbish video. I can tell already. I didn't set things up in the first place. Now stopwatch. No, but I want alarms. No.
Shall we say
5 minutes? Oh, 2.
10 minutes? Top?
2 each, and then we.
Oh, right. Okay.
What did you?
Is there like a ping pong TCR?
So just like
Can we make it up?
Yeah.
How
Ping
does it
pong TCR. Yeah. Good.
So like, what is this like? Write the code. Then you write the code.
I write the code. Exactly, like no, or 1 minute. I really thought like we should make really short videos, but like, I'll start the timer then.
Okay.
Go ahead. Maybe I should start then.
So this is Kotlin, right?
Yes. You can type test and tab. Yeah, that generates, and then you can type a name.
Okay. Oh, it's JUnit. Okay. So it can one.
Fair enough. Okay. Can one.
Oh, it's not an it. It's test one for now. So we need like a thing which
function FizzBuzz.
Yeah, FizzBuzz
or Woof.
What's this gonna do? So like.
Take a number.
I can't remember. It's been such a long time since I've run
transforms number into a string.
Okay.
So it takes a number, returns a string.
Okay. All right. Okay. And then there's backtick should be. Is that right?
Oh, wow. Would be nice. We can write it. I don't mind. Let's write that. Should be. We can totally do it. Yeah. Let's do it then.
What is it? Is there an assert equals?
Yeah,
I can't remember.
Equals will work. Yeah.
Is there an assert dot assert?
Yeah.
I'll just go with something that works for now.
Cool. Yeah.
I don't need that. I'm relearning Kotlin again. It gives you a string.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's create this function, and let's this return 1, even though.
Yeah, you don't even need types, I guess. Just run this. It should commit. It's Shift F10.
Shift F10. Okay. And it passes, and it doesn't delete our code.
Yeah, and you still have 4 seconds left. Yeah, it's my turn.
Okay.
Okay, I'll rerun.
Are you recording the?
Yes.
Cool.
I think. Let's put it this way.
Otherwise, it's just going to be us talking about this.
So let's do 2. Oh, it should have been another test. Or how do you want it to be?
I think just adding it here is probably okay.
Okay, yeah, I'll do this to string. Right, that should still work.
Yeah.
You authorize me running the test. It works. I just want to do a bit of refactoring. I don't know what refactoring. Maybe it should return a string.
Yeah.
That should still be fine. Then you wanted to do this equals thing. Maybe we should actually do it.
I don't know. The Kotlin that I've written
should be
these should be matches already in.
Well, let's just do it. I mean, it's not. You can just literally do what we already have.
Yeah, let's just add it.
Use the assert equals.
Yeah.
Like that. Say. What are we doing? That should be 1.
It'll take a it doesn't have that in there, so it'll just be
just do this and equals to s.
Yeah.
Maybe call it expected. So I'll just run this thing, see what happens. Sorry, unauthorized task, but okay, it worked. Sweet. So that will be 2.
Cool.
Works. 24 seconds. We go for ambitious project of 3. Should I do these or fizz straight away? What do you prefer?
Fizz is good.
Yeah, then what do we do if e equals to 3, return
Fizz.
Oh, massive progress. What's next? 4.
What's 4 again?
Oh, nothing, I think.
It's just 4.
It's 4. Yeah.
Okay. 4. And I think that will just work.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
5.
Yeah, buzz.
Yeah. I don't remember this at all.
That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to need an I equals 5, return buzz.
Yeah, authorize. Maybe we should do 2 fingerprints reading facilities. So 2 people touch it, I can just run stats. That's fizz. Fizz. Divisible by 3.
Yes, okay.
But then we need to change the... No, okay. This one.
Okay. 6 fizz.
And it's on i.ram, I believe. This will be after I you type .ram, then 3, and it should be equal to 0. Ram is a remainder.
Oh,
That's function.
Yeah, so you pass this
And
in
then
here.
equals to 0. I think that should work.
Yes.
Then 7, 8, 9. They're just what they are. Not 9 is fizz, of course. You could also just, yeah.
What's the next interesting one? Probably 10.
Yeah.
What's it doing? Oh. That's buzz. So then this is going to be i.rem.
Woo. Correct. I'll just do more things. I don't know. I just feel like doing that. Regression testing. Regression checking. Fizz.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Should we do a bit of kind of cleanup or just do woof? Yeah, let's maybe do... Oh, there is another interesting one we forgot about. Like the next super interesting FizzBuzz. Like both.
Yes.
So we need that.
Yeah.
It's basically this and that. Then it's FizzBuzz.
Mm-hmm. That didn't work.
Okay, let's do it again. 3 by 5. That's FizzBuzz, right?
Yeah.
And let's do dumb thing, which is equal 15. That should work.
Yeah.
I believe. Wow. That works.
And then you could do like a refactoring on these ifs.
Yeah, I just thought, like, should we go to remainder or not yet? Or should we do some other thing?
Well, these returns here, like, could we construct this string or something?
Oh yeah, just maybe. I thought maybe even this is not complete, right? So maybe we should have 75. Oh, I don't know. It's like this, right?
Yeah.
Whatever that number is,
Yep.
it should be still FizzBuzz.
Yep.
And then we need to change it. Then okay, you could say basically why those conditions didn't work out. Being extremely dumb at the moment. That.
Yeah. Why didn't that work last time? Is it like the stickiness of this?
Stickiness.
Do we need to put parentheses in?
No, I think it's alright.
It didn't pass last time.
Yeah, so we're doing the same thing again. You do it, I'll blame you. worked. Maybe it was a typo somewhere. I don't know. We'll never know. We'll know when we watch the video, I guess. Okay,
this is not good for blood pressure. Okay.
Maybe woof and then refactor. Oh, you want to clean up now? Let's do something now.
I don't know. Does this count at 4 levels of duplication, or does this count?
Let's add more. Let's add woof. I will vote for woof.
Where does woof go?
7. It's just 7. I think it's kind of prime numbers.
Prime number.
It's not official
definition.
I think it should be.
Let's just put it on 7 right now. So it's going to be when I equals 7.
Oh, you're being careful now.
Yeah.
Sweet. Then 14.
I
think it should go just after line 16. Like if we want to, that was cool.
Yeah.
That is 15. I think also if you don't type backticks it should autocomplete, but then doesn't matter. That should work.
Cool.
Wow, you like to live dangerously. You're going for the ultimate question. Okay, do it. I don't mind, yeah. Just there are also. Oh, it should go at the top, I believe. Yeah, that's correct. But it should be above the. You should,
Otherwise, it's gonna delete it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, interesting.
Yes, we could take that massive step.
Yeah, but then there are other combinations, right? FizzBuzzWoof, BuzzWoof. All of this stuff, right?
Yeah.
So it becomes properly complicated now. Great. 3 and 7 FizzBuzzWoof run. I'm so lucky. It's so good. 3 multiplied by 7 should be FizzBuzzWoof, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's correct. I don't just the approach now. Just do the same thing, but don't make mistakes this time. That's 7, and this is woof. Woof. It's the same woof as there. It's the same 3 and the same 7 as above. Just to try it again.
Yeah.
Approved.
Okay.
I have no idea what happened before.
No.
We'll know later. So then the other thing, BuzzWoof. And one more thing. So that's 5. That's Buzz. And it works. Whoa. So we're kind of done, but not really. So this is amazing code structure. I was thinking we could do maybe something, because they all return, you could do else, and that's makes it a bit more structured, so that should work. Then we can lift return, if else in Kotlin is an expression. And I can run this as well. Even though in reality the ID transformation I trusted. Then we could replace it with when, which is kind of a bit nicer. It's questionable, I guess, in a way. So that's the thing. Then C# influence, do expression by the. It's kind of short. It doesn't address the actual problem. But
it's just a really nice if statement.
C# style expression by the.
Cool. I'm not sure. I want to kind of run multiple things at the same time. So these aren't really. It's like a pipeline, right, of concatenations.
Yeah. I think we could define functions. For example, function fizz. It takes a number and returns a string, but it can be an empty string. Oh, what do you do?
I want to turn this off.
Nah. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, I did that.
So
I would just maybe define function fizz. It returns you fizz or an empty string, and then just basically define function fizz. and try and plug it into the existing thing. That's how I would approach that.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's do that.
Takes a number. It still takes an integer. I mean,
Let's do this the better way. Let's go here and use the IDE.
oh, okay. But that's not the function. Oh no, you're doing other things.
Oh no, 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 no. I did not want to... Oh, where's the cursor now?
Oh, I can help you.
The cursor is now...
Oh, God. Is it back? Yes.
Yeah, this is not right. So this needs to be fizz.
You can just... yeah.
Let's run this.
Ooh.
Okay. So I want to replace all of these fizzes as well with fizz. That should work.
Yeah. Not sure where we're going after this, but...
Sorry, I just want to change.
Yeah,
finish
go
this.
on. I'll just leave it ringing. Subtle reminder.
There's one more in the
Yeah.
on line 27.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where I'm going with it
Okay,
either.
I had a plan, but I don't know.
This feels like a small thing that
Yeah.
I can manage.
I'll try another thing. So in the first place, this could be an empty string. So just move this over here and say if it's empty, then we do that.
Okay,
That should be a refactoring.
I like that.
So then we can say, I'll just do what I had in mind. I don't know how it's gonna work. Maybe that's actually fine. So now if we make these take a number, like we had I int, we say basically this condition is true,
Mm-hmm.
then we fizz, otherwise empty string. And then theory is that if this empty string is kind of the same as this, and this will be
Yep.
done in one place.
And we can put I into all of these places and it'll still
Yeah.
work.
I don't know.
It should-
see
it should,
soon.
'cause-
Okay.
Even if we're...
But we double change. So authorized to run.
Yes.
Whoa, okay, you're right, it works. Sweet.
Um,
Then the question, can we do bars now?
Yeah. Yep.
Bars. And do the same thing. You think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it then. One at a time. Right.
Yep.
I'll just run test now. Then all the other guys as well. Well, there is one more, I know. Sweet. Making progress. Big time. Okay.
Cool. And then... Oof.
Yeah. Reminder of 7.
Yes. That would have been...
Disastrous. Not really. But just undo some code.
Everything will be... now I want to replace both of these, but...
Nah, it's cool, it's cool. There is a shortcut, Control G, but it doesn't matter. You're also super proficient with IntelliJ, I would say. Given that you say, no, I only do C#. And then you know all the shortcuts on my keyboard. Okay.
I use Rider, so...
Oh, right, okay. It explains it. Yeah. So
Uh,
maybe we should refactor this a bit.
yeah. Can we just replace these ands with ors?
I
Will
think
that work?
I think we just don't even need ifs anymore. It could be just fizz plus buzz plus woof and remove the rest, and that will just
Yeah, can
work.
we...
Just replace this whole thing with like this. Yeah,
This bit
I
here.
think so. It should be just replaceable by now. Like, yeah. I might need parents around fizz plus buzz and curly braces after if empty. Like I think you deleted one. Yeah, that probably works. Just be brave and run it. Yeah, That's what. Whoa.
Cool.
So, are we done? This is kind of flexible, but if you need to add quicks, which is 11, then you need to modify source code. So we could make it also super dynamic, I guess. Oh.
Could we do something like extracting these out?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, tell me what I should try.
And then extracting the method out for this. Sorry, word or... I don't know. I'm just pushing forward.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I've introduced a bunch of variable names that I don't like. But that should pass. if you run that.
I'd rather it not pass right now. Should I run this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm kind of semi-authorizing that. Okay,
so the idea is that this can be reused as for these lines as well. And those all the names can be massively improved.
Yeah, I see. Well, let's keep it this way. So this and other. I'll just align them. Right?
Yeah, that was the idea.
Oops, for some reason, shortcut doesn't work. Okay, I'll do it manually. Very lame. And that's other is 3. I'll keep the names. That's rude. So that's that, right? So that's going to be expression body. You can even drop type.
Yeah.
This would be wood of 5. I5 plus wood. I'm doing everything. Big step will be high adrenaline change. High risk.
7. No.
All this hard work is gone. That's the lesson, I guess. It's also you noticed, but it was just a second too late. Just 1 second. I'll do smaller steps. That's the lesson, I guess. Okay, I like the wood. Refactoring wood. I think I have time. Probably not. Not much. Wood of I5. Buzz. Run. Progress. Wood. That. Kind of feels now we're overgeneralizing potentially.
Well, there were 3 duplicates, so
okay.
that's why I thought that this was good abstraction.
It's an argument.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's fine.
I don't know if it's right.
Yeah.
None of these are what I want. It's shift F6 usually. Word if remaindered.
Very specific.
Word on remainder.
Like we just invented domain pretty much. We're just like, that's not a thing. Maybe also convert this to receiver. The first time, if you go to I, the method definition, it's like alt enter. Yeah, that's the thing. And then you're like I.
Oh, extension method. Yeah. Okay. I dot. I don't like this name now. On remainder. When remainder.
Gay.
Word?
I like boot more because it's pretty much was communication. We don't know how to name this. And,
whoops.
Maybe rename this to
remainder?
Yeah, very well.
And
word.
Yeah, if that's our domain.
Yeah, fine. Run
is
test.
there like an expression version of this? It's gonna work.
Yes, I'm confident.
Yeah, IntelliJ. Can we get rid of this explicit type?
And then new line probably, yeah.
Can we...
No. I don't know, what do you want? I think that's as far as we can go. Oh yeah, well, I'm not sure, like, it fails.
Yeah. Is there like a ternary?
No.
Oh,
that's the ternary. So
that's as close as
no, that's like the only other thing I was like aiming to get to, and it's gonna be super long. Now what we're doing is just to do it as the list because this is hard coded, right? If we want to have quicks, we need to modify source code. what if we want to be a bit more dynamic? Maybe we could have a list of functions which we apply, and we kind of have this, so we could have like these. Yes. I'm just like making things up now. That's like, and for each of them we map function to let's say, just to illustrate what I'm invoke, and then we join them to string with separator of empty, and then if this is empty, we just do our thing, right? Does this make sense?
Yeah.
And then this might work.
Yeah, yeah.
It tells you merge this thing. I'm not sure I actually like that. It's kind of join to string, this is separator, and this is what you're joining.
Okay.
And this invoke can be, that's like another syntax for the same thing.
Yep.
And it even works. And that's arguably it's a bit more dynamic. You could load these functions from internet. Yeah, that's the ultimate FizzBuzzWoof, I guess. Stop at some point.
Cool. That was fun.
Yeah, it was good. Like that.
I was quite surprised by how fun TCR is.
Yeah.
To do.
I was surprised how fun it was just like doing it. I thought it was going to be like very, I don't know, difficult to even agree on anything or make any progress. So yeah, it was good.
I think we both agreed on we needed to make small changes.
Yeah.
Whereas in TDD it can be quite difficult sometimes to agree how large a change you want to make. Whereas in this, you're kind of forced to make that smallest change because of the fear of everything being deleted. Yeah. You're both fearful of that.
Yeah, it's a super toy problem though, right? So maybe we should do enterprise FizzBuzzWoof, just a high load.
The stakes are high, like customers waiting.
Yeah, I mean, you have million requests per second. You need to several level of caching, and the FizzBuzzWoof all prime numbers, right? So all, not all, but let's say million prime numbers. Can you even calculate this? I don't know.
You just imagine this in a test suite where it just takes forever to run, legacy code base, waiting 10 minutes, and it deletes everything.
Yeah.
That'd be painful.
Yeah, but I've been thinking maybe you should like do FizzBuzzWoof to the extreme. So in the first place, if it's all prime numbers, you kind of want all of them to the definition, of how far you can go. Pretty much customers want all prime numbers to be mapped to those funny birds, right? And then it's like, okay, how do you do this as far as you can go? That is a proper enterprise, scale. Then it's like, oh, you need to calculate, you need to come up with the birds, then you need a server which serves 2 million users.
Then you need login.
Yeah, of course, monitoring what if the node goes down, like it escalates quickly. Like, yeah. Okay, guess. Stop. I hope I was actually recording this.